Today we are going to discuss the important question of current affair. Hello friends, I am Vijay and you are watching Current Study. If this video is useful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Let's start today's first question. When is World Book and Copyright Day observed? 20 April, 21 April, 22 April, 23 April. Correct option is option D, 23 April. Every year on the 23 April, this day is celebrated to promote the enjoyment of book and reading. Here we are talking about the important day, so we will revise the important day from last month to this month one by one. 1 March Zero Discrimination Day, 3 March 2 days are observed. World Wildlife Day, World Hearing Day, 4 March World Safety Day, 7 March World Medicine Day, 8 International Women's Day, 14 Pi Day, 15 World Consumer Day, 18 Ayush Foundation Day, 22 days are observed National Sparrow Day and World Happiness Day, 21 International Forest Day, 22 International Water Day, 23 Sacrifice Day, 24 World Tuberculosis Day, 27 World Theatre Day, 30 Rajasthan Foundation Day, 31 International Transgender Day of Visibility, 1 April 3 days are observed Fool's Day, Odisha Foundation Day, RBI Day, 2 April World Autism Awareness Day, 3 April World Hindi Theatre Day, 4 April International Day of Mine Awareness, 5 April 2 days are observed World Maritime Day and International Day of Conscience, 6 April World Athlete Day and Mahavir Jayanti Day, 7 April World Health Day, 10 April 3 days are observed World Homeopathy Day, Sibling Day and Good Friday, and 12 April World Motherhood Day, 13 April Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, 14 April Bhimrao Ambedkar Remembrance Day, 15 April World Art Day, 16 April World Voice Day, 18 April World Heritage Day, 19 April World Liver Day, 21 April World Creativity of Innovation Day, 22 April World Earth Day and 23 April World Book and Copyright Day is observed. These are the important days. Next question. Which state government has collaborated with healthcare app Azure? Maharashtra, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Correct option is option C, Rajasthan. The objective of to provide the 24-hour of online consultation and medicine delivery to the people of Rajasthan as an effort of to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Here we are talking about the state Rajasthan. So the important fact related with Rajasthan is the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur and the chief minister is Ashok Gehlot and governor is Kalraj Mishra and the state animal camel chinkara, state bird greater Indian bustard and the national park is Mukundra Hills National Park, Desert National Park, Keoladev National Park, Ranthambore Sariskar National Park is important national park and the important dams are Bisal Dev Dams which is built at Banas River and Rada Pratap Dam which is built at Chambal River and Javai Dams which is built at Javai River. These are the important facts related with Rajasthan. Next question. Which company has launched the Plasma bot? Facebook, Apple, Google, Microsoft. Correct option is option D, Microsoft. Microsoft has launched a self-screening tool called Plasma bot to examine people are eligible to donate the plasma. Here why it is in news? Because it contains the antibodies which can be used treatment of COVID-19 patient. Here we are talking about the Microsoft organization. So the important fact related with Microsoft is the foundation take place in 1975 and the headquarters is in Washington DC, and the founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates. These are the important facts. Next question: in which state have National Aluminium Company and Mahanadi Coalfield Limited decide to fund dedicated COVID-19 hospital? Odisha, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Correct option is option A, Odisha. NALCO will fully fund 200-bedded hospital set up the Navrangpur district of Odisha, whereas NCL will fully fund the 150-bedded hospital in Angul district of the state. Here we are talking about the state Odisha. So the important fact related with Odisha is the Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik and the Governor is Gadesi Lal and the capital is Bhubaneswar. State animal Sambhar deer and the state bird is Indian Dollar and the national park is Simlipal National Park and Bhitarkanika National Park, and the important dams are Indravati, the Indravati dams which is built at Indravati river, and Hirakund dams which is built at Mahanadi river. These are the important facts related with Odisha state. Next question: which organization has developed the automatic mist-based sanitizer dispensing unit? Indian Council of Medical, Indian Space and Research Organization (ISRO), Indian Army, Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). Correct option is option D, DRDO. The Center for Fire, Explosive and the Environment Safety has developed the contactless dispenser that spray alcohol-based hand sanitizer solution for cleaning the hands. Here we are talking about the DRDO. So the foundation take place of DRDO in 1958 and the headquarters is in Delhi. Next question: in which country has Facebook launched the third-party fact-checking system? Myanmar, Bangladesh, USA, Pakistan. Correct option is option B, Bangladesh. Facebook has launched its third-party fact-checking system in Bangladesh. Why it is in news? It is in news because there are many fake news about the COVID-19 in the countries. Here we are talking about the Facebook. So the important fact related with Facebook is the foundation take placed in 2004 and the headquarters is in California. Next question: Gene Dish passed away in April 2020. Which cartoon series was directed by the Gene Dish? Looney Tunes, Tom and Jerry, The Simpsons. None of these. Correct option is option B, Tom and Jerry. He was the Oscar winner, animator, illustrator, director and the producer. Gene Dish has also directed some episode of the series. They belong from America. So the important fact related with America is the capital of America is Washington DC and the currency is American dollar and president is Donald Trump. These are the important facts related with America country. And guys, this was the last question. We will meet you next day with new question and answer that. Namaskar.